we are discussing the most interesting and important subtopic estivation of the sepals, petals and the tepals. So, firstly, student, we are studying the what is mean by the estivation. So, estivation is the mode of arrangement of the sepals or a petals or a tepals in a bud condition are called as a estivation. So estivation is the mode of arrangement of the sepals, petals or a tepals in a bud condition are called as the estivation. Okay, so simply the mode and arrangement of the sepals, वो सेपल की अरेंजमेंट, पेटल की अरेंजमेंट, टेपल की अरेंजमेंट, ये बर्ड कंडीशन के अंदर जो अरेंजमेंट है, जो पोजीशन है, उसको हम बोलेंगे एस्टिवेशन. ओके, तो एस्टिवेशन इज द मोड ऑफ अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द सेपल्स इन ए बर्ड कंडीशन और ए पेटल्स इन ए बर्ड कंडीशन और ए टेपल्स इन ए बर्ड कंडीशन कॉल्ड द एस्टिवेशन ऑफ sepals, petals or a tepals. Okay, then student, we are studying the types of the estivation. There are 4 types of the estivation, like a valvate, twisted, imbricate and a vexillary. We are studying a one by one. So firstly, valvate type of estivation. So valvate means these are the 5 sepals, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and all the sepals are free from each other. That condition are called as the valvate type of estivation. So student, valvate means all the sepals are free from each other. That condition of the estivation are called as the valvate type of estivation. And this valvate type of the estivation found in a calyx of the datura. In a datura flower, all the sepals are free from each other. That condition are called as the valvate type of estivation. Okay. Then second type, that is the twisted type of estivation. In a twisted, all the petals or sepals are overlapped. They are overlapped with each other. ये देखो, this is the valvate and this one is the overlapping. The one petal margin is inner while the other margin is outer. Inner, outer, inner, outer, inner, outer. This is called as the twisted type of estivation. Means a estivation or a petals are arranged in a overlapping with each other. Means a one margin of the petal is outer while other margin is the inner. Inner, outer. That arrangement of the petals are called as the twisted estivation. Okay, twisted estivation. The margins of the petals are overlapped with each other. That condition of the estivation are called as the twisted type of estivation. For example, corolla of China rose. In a China rose, the petals are overlapped with each other in a China rose. Okay. Then third, imbricate type of estivation. So in a imbricate type, the petals are 3 petals are twisted like corolla of China rose, and one petal is complete inner. Both the margins are inner, and one petal is complete outer. Means the दोनों margin outer है. ये देखो outer means this is the outer petal and this one is the inner petal, because both the margins are inner and both the margins are outer, and 3 are a twisted type of petal, and that type of estivation are called as the imbricate type of estivation. Simply पहा लक्षात ठेवा की 3 petals are twisted. One is complete inner and other is complete outer. For example, cassia. Then fourth type axillary. In a axillary type, the one petal is complete outer and it is the largest. And this largest petal are called as the standard or a vexillum. And it is a butterfly shaped. It is a butterfly shaped, and two petals are the inner, or it is a twisted, and they are wing-like structure. They are wing-like structure, and two are the innermost, and they are combined together. ये देखो, ये ऐसे inner, and they are boat-like structure. They are boat-shaped. Means the a outermost largest, that is called as the standard or a vexillum, and which is a butterfly shaped. And then two are the a twisted type wing-like structure, and two are the innermost, and they are the boat shaped, and it is found in a pea flower. Okay, means the auxiliary type of the estivation found in a pea. So student here valvate. आता पहा valvate means the all the sepals are free from each other, found in calyx of datura. Then twisted means the a one margin is outer, other margin is inner, inner outer, inner outer, inner outer. Means the all the petals are overlapped with each other. That condition are called as the twisted type of estivation. Then imbricate, three petals are twisted like. Then one petal is complete inner and one petal is complete outer. That type of estivation called the imbricate and found in cassia. And these vexillary means the a one petal is complete outer and two are the a wing like. The outer petal is called as the standard or a vexillum, and it is a butterfly shaped, and two are the wings like, and innermost is the a two, but they are combined structure, or it is a boat shaped. For example, P. Okay, so sir, this is the a estivation. Okay. The cohesion of the stamens, or it is also known as the adelphi. Student, here cohesion of stamens is the when androecium with the a fused or a united stamens are called as the cohesion of the stamen. If the stamens are fused or a united together, that condition are called as the cohesion of the stamen and the adelphi. Here student, adelphi means the when the stamens with the a filaments are fused or a filaments are united and anthers are free. Okay, adelphus means the when the a filaments are fused and anthers are free from each other, that condition are called as the adelphi. Okay, so adelphi means the filaments are fused together or anthers are free. That condition are called as the adelphi. And according to the adelphi, they are of three types. That is the monoadelphous, diadelphous, and the polyadelphous. Okay, so student, we are studying the one by one. So monoadelphous stamen means the monoadelphi. Okay, so monoadelphi means the when the filaments are fused to form and the anthers are free from each other and filaments get a only one bundle. One bundle. Filaments are fused to form a only one bundle are called as the monoadelphi, and flowers are called as the monoadelphous flower. Okay, here monoadelphy means the filaments are fusible and it forms only one bundle are called as the monoadelphy and flowers are called as the monoadelphous flower. ये देखो, this is the filament and filaments are fusible to form one bundle and the anthers are free. That condition are called as the monoadelphous condition. Okay, here diadelphous, di means two, di means the toe, means the two bundles, means the filaments are fusible and it forms the two bundle, that is called as the diadelphy, and the flowers are called as the diadelphous. ये देखो, ये लाइन का एक बंडल है और वन का एक बंडल, means the innate diadelphy, the filaments are fusible and it forms a two bundles, that is called as the diadelphy and the flowers are called as the diadelphous flower. Then polyadelphous, the filaments are fusible and it forms the many bundles. That is called as the polyadelphy and the flowers are called as the polyadelphous flower. Okay. So student, monoadelphous, diadelphous and the polyadelphous. यामध्ये लक्षात ठेवा, मोनोअडेल्फस म्हणजे तर फिलामेंट फ्यूज होऊन एकच बंडल होतो, त्या कंडिशनला आपण म्हणू मोनोअडेल्फस मीन्स द वन बंडल. डायडेल्फस a filaments are fused to form the two bundle, that is called as the diadelphous and anthers are free. And polyadelphous means the anthers are fused and it forms a many bundle, that condition are called as the polyadelphy. Okay, and the flowers are called as the polyadelphous flower. Okay, ये देखो simple, adelphy means the filaments are fused and anthers are free, that is called as the adelphy. Okay, and next point, that is the syngeny. आता syngeny means the, ये देखो syngeny means the anthers are fused, and filaments are free. हे पहा, adelphyच्या अपोजिट आहे syngeny, means the inner adelphy, filaments are fused and anthers are free, and inner syngeny, anthers are fused and filaments are free. That condition are called as the syngeny and the flowers are called as the asyngenous flower. Okay, तो ध्यान में रखो बच्चों, a adelphy means the filaments are fused, anthers are free, and syngeny means the anthers are fused and filaments are free. Okay, thanks.